prototype is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are like. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hiya! Long time no see. As usual for me at the moment, isn't it? I've got a little art haul to show you. We're going to start with the biggest thing, and then we'll start with the smaller things. What I'm going to do is just show you all of the stuff I've got here, and then I'm going to do separate videos for box opening for each item. Obviously not this. So you can have a closer look at it all, and I can give my first impressions of it, and then at a later date I'll do a second video of each item with a little review showing some of the stuff I've used it for and what it's like, and hopefully that would be interesting to some of you, because I'm trying to get back into my art stuff, and so I've been very lucky to get a whole bunch from a friend who had some kind of warehouse clearance buy, and he had a lot of it, so I've got quite a bit. It's lovely. I have two of some items because I expect to go through that a lot, and only one of some others, but I have some other stuff coming that wasn't at his place to get it, gone to another place, so I need to get that at a later date, so I'll show you that at another point. But for now, we'll show you what I got. So we're going to start with this thing, which is huge. Duncan's going to help me. So, is that on camera because I can't see?
Yep.
So as you see, this is a big canvas. It's 80 by 100 stretched canvas. This is from the classic range of Arteza? I think it says Arteza, I don't know how you pronounce it. But anyway, what it is actually two canvases. We can turn it sideways. I don't know if you can see there, there's split. So there's two canvases in here. They're stored face to face, so both the wood frames are on both sides, so that you don't damage the canvases, which I think's really good. So these are huge, and I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet, but I couldn't resist it because they're freaking awesome. So we've got those, and they are 100% cotton, so they're really nice, and they feel really good. It's hard to tell with the plastic, but they feel quite stable. I've had some canvases that haven't been quite so stable, and for one that size to be so stable is really good. So next thing I'm going to show you is this. Part of the plastic is removed, so I had to take the address off. But this is an artisanal tripod style, which is beech wood, and it says it's easily adjustable, steel fittings, adjustable canvas holder. Back, I can show you some images of how it works. See, so it's actually quite heavy, but it looks really nice. Let's not drop it. I don't know if you can see the bottom there. It has a stand across two of the legs, and that's what I quite like about it. The tripod easel I currently have and have had for many years is extremely unstable, and the legs like to wander. So I'm hoping with the stand for the paints across two of the legs that will actually make it much more stable, so only time will tell, but that is what I'm hoping. So it does look fabulous. So that's worn me out, that was heavy. So let's see, next thing on. Everything is Arteza, just in case you're wondering. Okay, so next thing is 120 coloured pencils expert, and this is 120 unique colours, artist quality, 4mm lead, break resistant, blendable, not bendable, you don't bend your pencil, blendable, acid free. So they look really cool. A lot of colours on the other side. Again, you will get to see all of these properly when I do box opening for each one, so you can actually see inside them all. But this is just a quick one to show you everything I got. So, put that on, and then this is the 96 Real Brush Pens Premium. So, quite a lot of pens in there, several rows. It's a nice colour range. I'm really looking forward to testing these out. These are unique colours, blendable and water-based inks. It says it includes a water brush pen. I have no idea what that is. We will find out when I open it up properly. But it does say non-toxic, so they look really good. So I'm really looking forward to using them anyway. That's hopefully going to be for a lot of my adult colouring pages, so I can actually colour in my pages. And then I have 2 boxes of this, which is 60 acrylic colours. So this is the acrylic paints. This is their basic acrylic paints. I can't see. There we go. There's in line in it. And it shows on the top there the colours. So it's a good colour. Again, I'll go through it properly when I do the unboxing on it. But it's quite a lot. And as I said, 2 boxes of that. Yeah, they're not exactly light either. Then we have 72 unique colours, 0.4mm line, triangular barrel, water-based ink Onyx pens. So, hopefully you see that. Again, these have the colours on the bottom, and I will show the inside of them on a separate video, but they look really cool. Again, I'm hoping to be able to use them for like mandala drawing and things instead of just my black fine line pens. I now have multiple different colours of fine lines, which is going to give much more detail to the work, which I'm looking forward to. And then we've got some brushes. This is 15 miniature brushes, and then it has 5 liners, 5 spot and 5 round. So they look really cool. So I'll show you the back. That's the sizes they have. So it's a good size range, and they look really nice. So I'm really looking forward, because I needed some small delicate brushes. I have a lot of big brushes, which is going to be great for that big canvas, but for the smaller canvases I'm going to need some small brushes, and this is going to give me some really nice detail work. I've just realised that the box of the other canvases isn't up here, so I'll get done and grab that when I show you some more stuff. So here we have wood case, pre-sharpened, break-resistant cores, latex-free erasers. Just basic HB pencils, but they look really nice. They're supposed to be pretty good quality. I like break-resistant cores, because how many of us are fed up with the leads of a pencil breaking? So I'm really looking forward to seeing how well these do. They do come in much bigger boxes, so if these are really good, I might get the much bigger box as well, providing he hasn't sold them all by the time I get to buying more, because I need to earn some more money fast, because as you can probably imagine, this didn't come super cheap. Okay, so now we have 12 metallic acrylic colours. Show you the side of the box, you can sort of see the sort of colours. They're really pretty and shiny, so the top shows you the colours. They're basically acrylic paints, but in metallic colours, but they look so pretty. Light fastness and that is listed on there. So they look like they're pretty good quality. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what they come out like. I'm probably going to use them in paint pouring, so we're going to see how it goes. Talking of paint pouring, I have 2 lots of this as well, which is 32 pouring paints acrylics, which is 28 unique colours, high flow, water based, non-toxic. Includes 3 extra white and 1 extra black colour. So this is it. Again, I can't see. There we go. These are really heavy. This is my workout for the day. There's the top that shows the colours. Again, you'll get a better look at them when I open them up properly. So these ones, I believe, are designed already to work straight out the bottle as pouring paints. You can dilute them down more depending on the consistency, like with extra pouring mediums, but they should work straight out, which is what I'm really looking forward to, because pouring medium, it don't come cheap. I've done pouring before and I used up my pouring medium so quickly, so trying out these pre-made ones is going to be really interesting to see how they go and how far they spread. So I don't know, we'll see, but I'm really looking forward to using them, so I'll let you know. And said there's 2 boxes of them, so I've got enough to do a few paintings with, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, so then we have, this is a case. It fits 8 to 12mm markers, and it's got carry handle, adjustable shoulder strap and zipper pockets. This is designed to hold the brush pens that I showed you earlier. So again, I will open this up properly, but it's got a nice strap. It's just basically all black and red, and it looks really pretty. Has a zip on the back, so I'm going to get all my pens put into that, but it's looking like it's going to be a fantastic way, and I'm actually tempted to get another one of these for some of my other pens and things, so we'll see how that goes. And now we'll go on to canvases. This is a mixed box of different size canvases that we've got, and it's quite cool. So let's start with the smallest one, shall we? Here we go. So this is the 5" by 7" canvas panel in Classic. So they're lovely little cute ones with some little photos, some little pictures. And there's how many is in it? Does it say on there? Do I need to count them? I probably have to count them because I'm lazy. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. Does it say on there 7 anywhere? Oh, I don't know. But anyway, there's 7 of them. See, so they're the panel ones. So they're flat, not but they look really nice. They look pretty good to use. I don't know if you can see the texture on them with the reflection. I'm just reflecting the camera back at you now, aren't I? But again, when I open them up, you'll get a proper look at them. So, the next size, we have the 8 by 10 canvas. So it looks like they all have 7 packs, so 7 canvases. So again, these are all the panel ones, but they look great. So you can see the 7 of them. And again, these are a really nice size. I think these are going to be nice for some, like I have a very blank wall here, so some of these stuff would be great for getting lots of different things on there. If I was allowed to put things on the wall, that is. And then we have 9 by 12 canvas panels. So these are a bit bigger size, as you can see. Now, all of these are 100% cotton, and they're all 8 ounce prime, so that's 280 GM squared. They're 4 ounce, 105 gram per squared unprimed GM squared. So yeah, they all have the same type of finish and things, all acid free, primed with acid free acrylic titanium gesso, board core made of acid free recycled paper. So they're really quite cool. And they're good for oils and acrylics and other wet or dry media. Classic grade canvas panels are the perfect choice for light paint applications, practice studies and class projects. So they're really good for some practice work, and when you're first beginning, like me, I'm just getting back into my art, so something like this is going to be really handy before I start working on the big panels, not panels, the big canvases. So, and this is the last one, which is 11 by 14. 10, there we go. So let's see, they are much bigger. Again, there's 7 of them. All the usual stuff that I said about the others, so I don't think I'm going to be capable of holding these all up next to each other for you to see, but we can try. Oh look, Duncan's coming over to help. And that one. There we go, got them. Over. So, you can see this one ends here, you've got the next one there, and then the next one there, and then down there, because I can't reach because I'm too short, but hopefully you can see, there we go. So, pretty good size range, I think. Quite happy with them. Put them back in here, darling. Why would you not put them back in the box? Men. I'll put, don't worry. So, that's all of it anyway. So, there's quite a lot to do, so I will be doing the unboxing of each one, as I said. But there's quite a lot to see, and I can't wait to have a play with them all and let you know how they all go. But there's a brand that I've been looking into for a while, but didn't really know anyone that used it, and I wanted to make sure that I liked it before I spent too much money. But then these were such a good price, I wasn't really going to say no, was I? So I will provide a link to my friend's eBay shop, which is where he's selling all of these, so that you can go and have a look. I'm hoping to link to his entire sale profile, but then as I do the unboxing of each one, I'll link to the individual project of the eBay listing as well. And possibly an Instagram account. He may be getting one set up, so if he does, I will link that as well. But please do go and check out his site. He's got loads of products. I haven't even shown you half of what he's got. He's got fabric paints. The puff fabric paints will be great for doing some fun kiddie art, and there's watercolour paints and watercolour pads, and there's just a whole bunch of stuff. So please do go and check out his link. I will make sure it's in the description. And yeah, just enjoy, and check back soon for each unboxing video, and then after I've had a play with it, you'll be able to check back for a review for each of the products as well. So hope that was fun. I'm kind of really worn out now after that. But I will see you all soon. You'll take care. Bye.